I mean, what in the actual...
I'm American, bro. Yo, these guys are literally based off of skin color.
That dude's name is Jason Brian Gavidia. He's an American-born American citizen and resident of Los Angeles. He's also an entrepreneur and a small business owner of a body shop in LA. He is a member of the working class living the American dream. But because he's Hispanic like 65 million other American citizens right now, Donald Trump's armed, masked private military, he looks like an undocumented immigrant. And that is all it took for them to come to his place of work, twist his arm and throw him up against a fence, and when he said he was an American, demand to know what hospital he was born in. By the way, regardless of your ethnicity, can you name what hospital you were born in? Because I fucking can't, and I was born 90 minutes from here. Now, this assault took place back in June, and in part because of this assault, multiple federal judges ordered the Trump administration to stop fucking racial profiling, because looking at a person and assuming they're a criminal because of their skin color is racist as fuck, especially when you're a federal officer who took an oath to uphold the Constitution. Besides, let's flip it real quick. Do all old white men want us to assume that they're a predator just because they happen to look like the predator blob in the White House? Because it is literally the guys who said not all men who are saying, yeah, but probably all Hispanics. But now this is once again legal because the MAGA majority on the Supreme Court that cares more about their loyalty to Trump than they do about the Constitution used the shadow docket to permit racial profiling while the appeal goes through. Because to them, it's more important to allow the president to be racist as fuck than it is to protect the 4th and 14th Amendments of the Constitution, which together protect all people from illegal search and seizure and demand equal protection under the law. Two constitutional protections that for 20% of Americans no longer apply. And even though we may win out at the end of the appeals process, I hope every single voter, Hispanic or otherwise, remembers when you go to the ballot box, it never should have come to this.